In this lecture, we people are going to learn about special kind of arithmetic operators which are called compound assignment operators. Their symbols are plus is equal to, minus is equal to, multiplication is equal to, etc. For example, a plus is equal to is as good as writing a is equal to a plus 10. That means if I write a plus is equal to 10, whatever is the current value of a, 10 will be added into this and the new value of a would be current value plus 10. Similarly, a minus is equal to 5 is as good as writing a is equal to a minus 5. A multiplication is equal to 7 is equivalent to a is equal to a into 7. A division is equal to 2 is as good as writing a is equal to a divided by 2. And a modulus is equal to 3 is equivalent to writing a is equal to a modulus 3. Now I am going to explain this with the help of examples and see. Suppose I have written a program whereby I have declared a variable with the name a. It happens to be an integer variable. Int a is equal to 100. So when I would write a plus is equal to 10, it's equivalent to writing a is equal to a plus 10. So that means the value of the new value of a will become 110. I am going to execute this program and you will see the output would be updated value of a is equal to, as you know, in lieu of %d, the new value of a would be printed, which should be 110. Now this is the output. Updated value of a is equal to 110. Let me show you another example whereby I will be using minus is equal to compound assignment operator. Hereby I have declared a variable with the name a, the value of which is 100, and when I would write a minus is equal to 10, as you know, it would be equivalent to writing a is equal to a minus 10. So that means the new value of a will become 90. See, this is the output. Updated value of a is equal to 90. Similarly, in the next example, I am going to use multiplication is equal to compound assignment operator. Now, value of a is 100. When I would write a into is equal to 10, as you know, it is equivalent to writing a is equal to a into 10. The new value of a will become 1000. See the output. Updated value of a 1000. Similarly, in the next example, I am writing int is equal to 20. When I would write a division is equal to 10, it would be equivalent to writing a is equal to a divided by 10. So 20 divided by 10 will give you the quotient 2. So new value of a would be 2. See, this is the output. Updated value of a 2. In the last example, a modulus is equal to 10. As I have told you earlier, this is modulus operator and it returns the remainder after a division. So writing a modulus is equal to 10 is equivalent to writing a is equal to a modulus 10. So when I would divide 25 with 10, of course, the remainder would be 5. See the output. Updated value of a is equal to 5.